Hello and welcome to Kathleen Color. As a professional makeup artist, the top question I get is about foundation. In this Kathleen Color Lab series, I will be testing top brand foundations, such as Fenty, Urban Decay, Giorgio Armani, Lancome Dior, and more, to see what they actually look like and how they wear without primer and setting powder. And if you are struggling with how to choose a foundation, check out my video in the notes below. Today I am testing the Sheer Glow Foundation from Nars. Nars was founded by French photographer and makeup artist Francois Nars. The company started with only 12 lipsticks and has grown to a full cosmetic line. They are known for their radiant creamy concealer, but will they be known for their foundation? Let's find out. It's the end of the day, and on the Kathleen Color Scale, I give this foundation a 4. The things I like about this foundation are the luminous, glowy finish. It is easy to apply, it blends easily, it's smooth, and it's buildable. The things I don't like about this foundation are that it doesn't last, and you have to apply multiple coats to get enough coverage. The skin type I recommend for this foundation is all skin types. Thanks for watching. You can follow me on Instagram at Kathleen Color. Hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you next time when I review another top brand foundation. And remember, life is better in color.